Hey beautiful people, today I have the September IPSY Glam Bag and BOXYCHARM by IPSY base box. They do send me this for review purpose. I do have an affiliate link down below. If you're new here, I'd love to have you subscribe. I have social media down below if you want to follow me over there. And let's go ahead and jump into it. For the glam bag, we have this curious little glam bag. The design on it was, I don't know what it is, but it's kind of like a spiritual journey kind of thing. This month is called Soft Era, and it says buy yourself flowers. Like, it's kind of like to treat yourself kind of, that's the kind of vibe that they're going for. So that is the bag. It kind of reminds me of like yoga and free and peace, spiritual journey, but yeah, it's cute. It's cute. I don't know. Let me know what your thoughts are down below. But the first thing in here is this little sponge. This is called the Pinky Bee Beauty. It's a latex-free sponge. It looks very similar to the Beauty Blender. I think that the cool little skeleton on top is so cool. But of course, when you open it, it's just a pink sponge to wet, dampen, and apply your makeup with. So really nice. And it does have their logo on there as well. So it does say Pinky Bee Beauty. I haven't heard of that brand before, so this is kind of like new to me, but I always love a good sponge. Next, we have something that I adore. I actually sprayed it on and it's still, I love me. Juliet Has a Gun. They have different varieties of this perfume. I love the original scent. I have Lust, I think it's Lust to Sun and Pear in my collection, and I absolutely just really love the majority of them. This one is called Ode to Dualness. You get a really great size in here. Let me see if it says how many ounces you are. You do not say. Yeah, it doesn't say how many ounces it is, but this has notes of Badian, cashmere flower, sandalwood, and tonka bean in a cozy scent. And it does have like a cozy, like nice scent to it, like a clean smell to it. I really smell more the sandalwood and the tonka bean, but not much the flower aspect of it. But each person kind of like, it's gonna sit different on each person depending on your body chemistry, but I like the way it smells. Really, really nice. Juliet Has a Gun is such an amazing brand. The longevity of their perfumes are like, ugh. But I am into mini perfumes. I've started to do reviews here on my channel and on my social media of like the small little scent birds. I also want to do like Bath and Body Works. I want to do beauty, fashion, scents, yeah, that's makeup, you know, like those are my things, my jam. So we're gonna be doing reviews, mini reviews on a lot of things, including scents. Next we have this pink lippies. I never know how to say this, but this is a cute little 5-pan neutral palette. I have so many palettes, and I just decided to kind of skip on this one. There's somebody that I'm going to be giving some products to, so I thought that she would really appreciate this, and especially because they're such beautiful neutral colors, I think that she'll get a good use out of this. Next we have the Saturday Skin Yuzu Vitamin C Bright Eye Cream. This is a nice one. It's very, very thick. I've used it in the past. It's not my all-time favorite eye cream, but it is nice. So that's a nice one. And then the last thing in here is something that I actually tried in the try-on portion, which I have had in the past. This is by IPSY. This is their Waterline Black Eyeliner. I absolutely love this. It's retractable, so you just kind of like push it up as you use it. And if you push it up too high, it does let you come back down. Some of them don't like let you come back down. So this one's nice because it goes up and down. And I did do my waterline with this. I absolutely love these IPSY ones. They're very long wearing. They're really nice. And they're really creamy and pigmented. Sometimes over time, some pencils can like kind of dry out and you're like, where's the pigment? Not with IPSY. These are really, really great. I used to have this one in black and in cream color in my collection, and I use them both up. And I have a ton of liners, so that says a lot when I use something up. But this one is a really, really great one to try out. So the Glam Bag, I have to say, is a win for me this month between the Pixie, the Juliet Has a Gun, the cute little 5-pan palette, the sponge. I feel like it's a good, you know, variety of products in there. Next, we're gonna go into the BOXYCHARM by IPSY. This is the base box, and again, we have a little pamphlet that says soft era on it. Very, very cute. And on the inside, we have some of the products, not all of them. So I don't know. Last time they were showing actually what was coming up. Now it doesn't show that on the back. So I'm not really sure about these little pamphlets, who comes up with the ideas of what goes in here. But let's go ahead and show what is in here. First off is what's on my cheeks. I try this on in the try on portion, and this is the Il Maquillage blush. It's a mineral baked blush in the shade Vogue. I have to say the packaging is a little thick. I don't like that you have to twist it open, but it is what it is. But it does apply very beautifully. It's what's on my cheeks. You will see it on the try on portion. Very, very beautiful. And I know Il Maquillage is pretty pricey, so that's a nice way of trying it without having to spend a big buck. Next, we have another thing that I tried on in the try on portion. This is by Ren. This is the Ever Hydrate Marine Moisture Replenish Cream. It's supposed to give you 48 hours of protection and dehydration. It has hyaluronic acid, polyglutamic acid, fresh water plant for hydration, and freshwater microalgae. I really like the packaging on this as well. It's just a really nice clean pump. Really, really a great brand, and I have tried stuff from them previously and I really enjoy it as well. So this is also a win for me. Another thing in here is a brand that I had never heard of. This is called Toy Factory and it's called Oat Bay. This is a hyaluronic oat milk oil makeup remover. Wait a minute, toy.co. I want to say that we've received something previously from this brand. Now the name is like kind of jumping out at me. I'm not sure about the brand itself, but I'm always down for a good cleanser, a good moisturizer, a good makeup remover. So this is supposed to be a makeup remover. And let's take a peep at it. Oh, I feel like I've tried something from them. The packaging's like really jumping out at me, but it just has like a pump and you're supposed to remove your makeup with it, and it looks like milk in there. It legit looks like milk. I like the packaging. It's super cute. If you guys remember what it was that we got from this brand previously, let me know down below. I feel like we got something. My brain is like, give me a second. Next product that we have in here is by JLo Beauty. She is no longer in Sephora. I feel like I've wanted to try her products, but the price point is just like way up there. So I'm not sure if she brought them down. I saw that they're available on Amazon now. This is called That Star Filter. It's a complexion booster. There's 4 shades available. Sadly, the shade is nowhere on here that I can see. I can't really tell which one I got. Based on the swatches, I want to say I got the rose gold one. You guys will see this in the try on portion as well. It gives kind of like a luminosity to the skin. Very beautiful. I kind of wish that she had come out with like a lot of glowy complexion body products and not so much like olive oil skincare, and had done it more of like mid-tone range prices. But this is really nice. I see myself using this underneath makeup like I did today. It kind of just gives like a glow to the skin and gives like that J-Lo from the block glow. I don't think that I would use this on its own though, but really nice. And it was nice that it's in the BOXYCHARM to be able to try. Last thing is this Defiance Beauty, and I want to say it's Nashami. I'm not sure who that is, but this is a very beautiful, what are you? Luminous liquid lipstick. So I have way too many liquid lipsticks. This one looks like a very beautiful mauve. You know what? Screw it. Let's just go ahead and apply some. It has a... Oh, this is super pigmented. Okay, I hadn't tried this on in the try-on portion. Wow, this is very, very pigmented. Let me fix this up. I should have used a lip liner, but this is very pigmented, really nice. I like the color. It has a nice like minty feel to it, so I will be keeping it. The shade color is called Empower, but we're gonna jump into the try on portion so you can see the rest of the products that I also tried on. For the try on portion, I am going to start off with the Ren Clean Skincare. This is Ever Hydrate. It's a marine moisture replenish cream. And I wanted to really try this out because Ren is a great brand, and also I have dry skin, so this is geared towards my skin. Just a white moisturizer. Just going to apply this to my skin, see how it feels. Kind of reminds me of the feel of the In Beauty Slushy, which I absolutely love. But this one has like a little bit more dimethicone to it, where it leaves like a smoothness to the skin. So really nice for like an everyday moisturizer where it's gonna moisturize but leave like a nice soft canvas as well. So this feels really, really good. We'll be keeping that and trying that out. The next thing that I wanted to do a little try on with is the JLo Beauty That Star filter. I'm a little scared with this. I think based on how the color looks, I think I got the shade Rose Gold. There's 4 shades available. I'm just gonna apply a little bit on my face. This is supposed to go alone or under makeup, so we're gonna apply this under my foundation. I don't know. That's kind of scary. I'm sorry if you hear snoring. That's my dog. He's right at my feet, and he is old. And now he sleeps so much. You know what? I'm just gonna use my hands. I was gonna look for a brush, but let's just blend this out and see what it looks like. I don't know. I'm a little weary. I'm a little scared. I probably shouldn't have put it all over my face. But okay. I kind of see what I feel like they were kind of going for that whole Charlotte Tilbury filter, like glow filter kind of look, where it kind of gives like that glow to the skin. Let me get a mirror real quick and see. It does have shimmer particles on it, so I don't know if I would use this by itself. You might look a little cray-cray if someone was too close to you. They'd be like, what the hell is all that little sparkle? But it does blend in nicely. It's not, I don't feel like it's gonna be that visible to the eye. Maybe when the sun hits you, you'll do the vampire like, but it's pretty. It's pretty. Oh my God. My nose is like cracking. It's so dry. But yeah, I feel like it gives like a subtle glow. Let me know what you guys think. Sorry, I moved everything with closing the drawer. But this seems nice to go underneath makeup. I also got the Juliet Has a Gun Ode to Dullness, which I absolutely love. Juliet Has a Gun, the perfume series. They're most of them are like my cup of tea. So let's go ahead and do a little squirty squirt. It smells like a fresh smell. It has cashmere, flower, sandalwood, tonka bean. So it's supposed to be, yeah, I can really get like that vanilla kind of smell to it. It's not as flowery as I thought it was gonna be. It's just a really nice, clean, everyday scent. You can smell mainly the, I want to say like the sandalwood and the vanilla. I can't really smell the cashmere flower as much, but I do really like it. So this is supposed to be an ode to dullness. So I don't know where they come up with these names, but I do like it. I like it. So I will be really using that as well. I've really been into scents. So really nice one. I'm in the middle of doing my makeup, so I do look a little cray-cray, but wanted to show you guys another product. This is the Mineral Baked Blush from Illamasqua. I'm not sure how I like their packaging. It's kind of cute, but I don't like twisting, and I don't like how thick they are. But this is in the shade Vogue. And automatically my brain goes to Madonna's Vogue song. And I'm not sure why it's not picking up nicely on the brush. I'm just gonna dust some off because it picked up way too much. Let's go ahead and try this out. Yeah, you only need a tad bit. When I first went in there, this brush picked up way too much, as you can see on my hand. So I'll just wash my hand, but it's a beautiful like plum deep shade. I feel like especially deeper skin tones, this is gonna look beautiful. But this does have quite a bit of kick up every time you go in. So all you need is like to go in there maybe once, depending on your skin tone. If you have lighter skin tone like me, you just want to like boop one time. It's not one of these blushes that you need to dig into. So that is pretty. Let me know what you guys think. It does have like a luminosity to it. So it's a very beautiful formula. I loved baked formulas because of that. But a really pretty color. And then the other thing that I wanted to try from the Glam Bag is this from IPSY. I already know I love this. I used to have both shades that IPSY had sent to me. And if you're looking for really good waterline pencils, IPSY is where it's at. So I'm just going to show you guys how this just glides in here to tight line, and that just, you know, really defines the eye. It's also going to make your eye look smaller, but IPSY also has a cream colored one, so if you want to make your eyes look larger, you can pick up the cream colored one. And then I also tight line on the upper to make my lashes look larger. With the mascara. And yeah, I'll come back with my finished thoughts on the bags. And that is it for my IPSY Glam Bag and the BOXYCHARM box. I have to say this month has been really, really good. There's a lot of brands in here that I love, especially like the Juliet Has a Gun, IPSY Beauty, even being able to try the JLo, the Il Makiage, the Ren, just a lot of good brands and a good variety of makeup and skincare. That's kind of like my personal favorite, when they kind of don't overdo it on one thing. I really like when they have a good mixture of brands that you recognize, brands that you've wanted to try and maybe don't because of the price point. So overall, I have to say this month was a good variety for me. Let me know your thoughts. What did you get? What were your choices? I'd love to hear from you down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. And also I have social media, so if you want to, you can follow me over there on TikTok and on Instagram. And I also would love it if you subscribe if you're new here. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.